Okay. In this lesson we learn the following. Brothers and sisters, Najahatul Labu Kulluhum. Najahatul Labu Kulluhum. Is there a typo there? It has to be Kullu. Why Kullu? Because it is a tawqid. Tawqid for what? Tullabu is marfu. So it has to be marfu. Kulluhum. Illa Khalidan. But then, look at it. Khalidan has come. It is mansub. Why? It is mansub. No, it's not hal or anything. No. It has got nothing to do with maf'ulun bihi, hal or tamiz or anything. This is a new thing we are learning, brothers and sisters. Okay? So here is the explanation. The translation is, all the students have passed except Khalid. Okay? This is an example of al-istithna'u. What is the meaning of al-istithna'u? Exception. I have written on the board, brothers and sisters. Inshallah, you will see it. The istithna has 3 elements. Are you with me? The istithna has 3 elements. What are they, brothers and sisters? Adatul istithna, the instrument. Mustasna minhu. And then mustasna. They are the 3 elements. So we are studying al-istithna'u, which is exception. Okay. Al-mustathna, it is the thing that is accepted. And in the above example, it is Khalid. Are you with me? If you look at the example, Khalid is mustathna. Okay. Al-mustathna minhu, it is the thing from which exception is made. Brother, you got to really use your mind and understand and ponder over the sentences. And in this above example, it is tullab. Okay. And adatul istisna, it is the tool of exception, which is illa. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Illa. In the above example, illa is harfun. It's a particle. There are other tools also, and these are siva and ghair. These are nouns, and ma ada and ma khala. These are verbs. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. I should write down here instrument, and maybe I should write down here tool. Since Dr. Sahib has mentioned tool, we'll write down tool also. Brothers and sisters, the kinds of istithna. How many kinds are there? Okay. Inshallah, I will explain you in detail. Keep the sentence that Dr. Sahib is giving us in your mind and then figure out. If the mustathna is of the same kind as mustathna minhu. Remember, mustathna minhu and mustathna are of the same kind. Okay, same kind. Then the istithna is called muttasil. What is it called? Muttasil. What is the meaning of muttasil? It means, this is the name given, muttasil. Okay, it means there is a sentence in which there is a mustathna minhu and there is a mustathna, and they are of same kind. They are of same kind. Okay, fine. In the above example, Khalidun, okay, is a student. Here is another example. Zurtu bilad al-Urabbiya. Zurtul bilad al-Urabbiyata. See, here is kullaha. Why kullaha? Because it is emphasis for mafulun bihi, bilad. Illa yunana. So what is yunana here? Mustasna. Where is mustasna minhu? Biladal or bilad. Okay. So are they same? Yes, Yunnan is a country in Europe like other countries. So it means the mustasna minhu and mustasna are of the same kind. I have visited all the European countries except Greece. Greece is a European country. Fine. Number 2. If the mustasna is wholly different in kind from mustasna minhu. So brothers and sisters, here is a sentence in which both mustasna and mustasna minhu are mentioned, but they are not of the same kind. Are you with me? They are not of the same kind. For example, if that is the case, then the mustasna is called munqati'un. Okay? Wasala duyufu. Translation, brother? The guest arrived. Illa amtiatahum. Wasala duyufu illa amtiatahum. Translation, brothers and sisters? The guests have arrived except their luggage. So where is mustasna? Amtiata. And where is mustasna minhu? Are they of same kind? No, they are not of same kind. If you see a sentence like that, then you will say it is munqati'un. If the mustasna minhu and mustasna are of the same kind, then you will say it is muttasil. What will you say? It is muttasil, inshallah. Inshallah, you will revise everything tonight, and tomorrow we will try to, complete the lesson, inshallah, in detail. Okay, brothers and sisters? It is obvious that the baggage is wholly different in kind from guests. The meaning of the sentence is that the guests have arrived, but their luggage has not yet arrived. In the Quran, Ibrahim alayhi salam says about the idols. فَإِنَّهُمْ, now this is a verse from the Quran, brothers. فَإِنَّهُمْ عَدُوٌّ لِي إِلَّا رَبَّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Surely they are enemies to me except the Lord of the universe. Okay. It is obvious that the Lord of the universe is not of the kind of the idol. So this sentence also will be called, what will it be called? Munqati'un. Munqati'un. Now these are the terms, inshallah, you will try to understand, and tomorrow we'll be using it very frequently. From another point of view, brothers and sisters, from another point of view, the istisna is tamun or mufarragun. If the mustasna minhu is mentioned, it is tamun. Are you with me? It is tamun. Okay, it is complete. Okay, as in the previous examples. And if it is not mentioned, what is not mentioned? Mustasna minhu is not mentioned, then it is mufarragun. Okay, are you with me, brothers and sisters? Ma ja'a illa hamidun. Okay, ma ja'a illa hamidun. Translation, brother. Nobody came except Hamid. Fine. Okay. Ma raitu illa Hamidan. I saw none but Hamid. Now, tell me one thing, brothers and sisters. Ma ja'a. If I put here one word, Ma ja'a ahdun. What did I say? Ma ja'a ahdun illa hamid. So what will be ahdun then? Mustasna minhu. So it is not mentioned there. Are you with me? We are going to practice a lot. Right now I'm just trying to throw a few things here and there at you. Inshallah, you will catch it. If I say ma ra'aytu ahdan, then ahdan will be your mustasna minhu. And in both these sentences, mustasna minhu is absent. Then we will call the sentence mufarrag. But if you had ahdun and ahdan, then what will you call it? Tammun. Got the idea? This lesson, as usual, in all the lessons, the vision of Dr. Sahib is so beautiful. And he explains with so many examples, left and right, that if you study this lesson, you have a very comprehensive knowledge of istisna, inshallah. And we are going to, inshallah, do it. Okay, now here comes another thing, brothers and sisters. In the istisna mufarrag, the sentence is always, underline it, highlight it, brothers and sisters, always. What is always? Negative, prohibitive, or interrogative. Okay. You are right, Sister Mehnaz. It is an-nafyu, an-nahyu, or it is al-istifham. If you have a sentence, then what will you call that sentence? Okay, what will you call that sentence? It's coming. Okay, but here, this is a little introduction of what will the sentence which we call mufarrag will have. It will have negation. Are you with me? It will have negation. Okay. But on top of negation, mufarrag will not have mustasna minhu. Are you with me? Mustasna minhu is missing from a sentence which is mufarrag. Plus it will have negation. So we have got lots of sign to figure out. Inshallah. And we are going to study it. Okay. The sentence containing istisna is also of two kinds. This is very easy, brothers and sisters. An affirmative sentence called mujabun. Okay. Look at this sentence, brother and sister. Iftahin nawafiza illal akhirata. Open the window except the last one. Is there any kind of negation there? No. Remember, negation means a nafyu, which is either ma or la, and nahyu is la nahya, and istifham is a hal or man or anything. Okay, fine. So this we will call it mujabun. Okay, what is the mujabun coming from? Awjaba. It is coming from awjaba. What is the meaning of awjaba? To make something obligatory. From wajaba. What will be the mudariya? Yujibu. What will be the ism fa'il? Mujibun. What will be ism maf'ul? Mujabun. But from the grammar point of view, mujabun means affirmative. What does it mean, brothers and sisters? It means affirmative. Got the idea? Inshallah. So, if I say Gairu Mujabin, what will be the meaning of it? It has negation. Are you with me? I will write down. means negation. And how many kinds of negation? An-nahyu, an-nafyu, and then istifham. I say it again, brothers and sisters. An-nafyu, wan-nahyu, and istifham. Fine. A negative, prohibitive, or interrogative sentence is called غير موجب. Now here are the examples, brothers and sisters. ما غاب طلاب إلا إبراهيم / إبراهيم. What is the meaning of this, brothers and sisters? After إلا, both are permissible. You can have marfu or mansub. But I want to ask you something, brothers and sisters. What is Ibrahim? Mustasna. What is it? Mustasna. Are you with me? Okay. Is there mustasna minhu there? Yes, tullabu. So in other words, this sentence is muttasil. What is it? Muttasil. And at the same time, it is tamun. Are you with me? What is the meaning of tamun? It has both. And muttasil means both match each other. But then at the same time, we have a negation. So what will you call this? Gair mujad. So I am writing here something, brothers and sisters. This sentence is tamun muttasilun, and then what shall I write? Gairu mujabin. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? We are going to understand and identify sentences. Okay? Fine. Because the use of illa is so much in Quran, they've got to understand it, inshallah. Now, what will you call this? Maghaba? It's the negation, simple negation. What is it? An-nafyu. Write down an-nafyu. You want me to write it? Inshallah. Brother, an-nafyu. Okay. Next sentence, brothers and sisters. La yakhruj. Now what is this? La yakhruj. La nahiya. La yakhruj ahdun illa al-jududa or al-jududu. No one should leave except the new ones. Okay? Again I ask you, there is a negation. So what will you call this? An-nahyu. What will you call it? An-nahyu. Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, where is the mustasna? Al-judud. Where is the mustasna minhu? Is it there? Ahdun. So are they of the same kind? Yes, they are of the same kind. So what will you call this? Tamun, muttasilun, and ghairu mujibin. Okay. The last one. Hal yarsubu ahadun illa al-kaslana or kaslanu. What will you call this, brothers and sisters? Istifham. Istifham. I will write down. Al istifhamu. Three kinds, which when it is used in the sentence with istithna, illa, will make the sentence ghairu mujabin. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now I want to write down something on the board again. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? I wrote down on the board, there are 4 kinds. Okay, today is the first day. If you do not understand 100%, don't worry. But tomorrow, you will be strong and you will understand everything. I am trying to make it, in a way, inshallah, which is very simple and easy to understand. I had a little problem in understanding. So when I understood it, now I want to show you from my understanding. Okay, brothers and sisters? Okay. Al-mustasna after illa. In the istisna, munqati'un, brother and sister, the mustasna is always mansub. What is it, brother and sister? The always mansub. The Dr. Sahib has started with munqati. Now, where is munqati here? It should be always mansub. What should be mansub? Mustasna. It should always be mansub. Right? Likulli da'in dawa'un illal maut. See, mauta, it's mansub. What is mauta? Mustasna. Where is mustasna minhu? Dawa'un. Dawa'un. Okay? Okay. So it means the sentence is tamun. Are you with me? The sentence is tamun. But it is not muttasil. Because when you say tamun, means mustasna and mustasna minhu both are there. But it is not muttasil because they don't agree of the same kind. They are not of the same kind. Okay? Then it is munqati. If it is munqati, whether it is mujabun or whether it is ghayru mujabin, mustasna will always be mansub. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Every sickness has a medicine except death. You know why? Death is not a sickness. So there are 2 different kinds, In the mustasna, muttasil. Brothers and sisters, as soon as you say muttasil or munqati, it means they are tamun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Yes. If the sentence is mujabun, the mustasna is mansub. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So I'll write down here. It should be mansub. Are you with me? Okay, and here it will be, I will write down here again, brothers and sisters. Number 1, it can be mansub or it can take the i'rab of mustasna minhu. Inshallah, now it should be clear. Okay. If the sentence is mujabun, we are talking about tamun and muttasilun, where the sentence has mustasna and mustasna minhu, and where the mustasna is of the same kind as mustasna minhu. Fine. The mustasna is always mansub. Here is an example, brothers and sisters. Yaghfirullahu dhunuba. Translation, brothers and sisters. Kullaha. Allah forgives all the sins illa shirk, except the shirk. Allah will forgive every sin if He wishes, except the shirk. Remember, if He wishes, if Allah wishes, He will forgive you all the sins. Okay, except the mistake of shirk. Fine, brother and sister. So, tell me, brothers and sisters, where is the mustasna minhu in this sentence? Zunuba. Zunuba. Okay. And then the shirk has come. Ashirka. So what is it? Mustasna. So it has to be mansub. Are you with me? It has to be mansub. Because it is mujabun. Tamun muttasilun mujabun. Fine, brother and sister. If the sentence is ghayru mujibin, if the sentence is ghayru mujabin, there are two possibilities. What are they? The mustasna may be mansub. So what I have written here, it can be mansub. Or may have the same i'rab as the mustasna minhu. Inshallah, you will find that tomorrow your understanding is absolutely clear cut, inshallah. Okay. Now remember one thing, brothers and sisters. It is ghayru mujabin. What does it mean? It will have a negation. And how many kinds of negation? 3 kinds. 3 kinds of negation will be there. Okay? And we will have 2 choices. How many choices? 2 choices. But remember, it is tamun and muttasilun. On top of that, it is negation. Mujabun means affirmation. So it is very easy, inshallah. Okay. Here is the first example of negative. Ma hadaratullabu illa hamidan or hamidun. Both are possible. You have a choice. Okay, brothers and sisters? Is there a mustasna minhu there? Tullab, so it's there. Okay. Are they same kind? Yes, they are same kind. So it is muttasil. It is tamun and it is muttasil. But it is negation. So what choice I have? I can make it mansub or it can have the same i'rab. Now tell me, brothers and sisters, what is the i'rab of mustasna minhu here? Marfu. So it means the mustasna can be marfu. So look at it. Illa hamidan, which is the first one, it can be mansub, or hamidun. It is possible because it is like tullabu. Tullabu is marfu, so hamidun became marfu. The students did not attend except Hamid. Now, brothers and sisters, next sentence. Ma sa'altu tullaba. Ma sa'altu tullaba illa Hamidan. Or next one, Hamidan. Are you with me? In both cases it is same. But ma has come. So it means it's Garu Mujibin. Is it Tamun? Yes. It is Muttasilun? Yes. Okay. So you have a choice. Hamidan is our first choice. It can be Mansub. Or it can take the i'rab of Mustasna Minhu. Where is Mustasna Minhu? Tullaba. 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 Fine, brothers and sisters. Ma ittasaltu bit-tullabi illa Hamidan or Hamidin. Are you with me? Because if you say Hamidan, which means you can have it mansub, or if you have Hamidin, then it is taking the i'rab of Tullabi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? I did not contact the students except Hamid. Now we come to An-Nahyu, prohibitive. La yakhruj ahadun illa Hamidan or Hamidun. Where is Mustasna Minhu here? Ahadun, marfu. So either you should make it mansub, which is permissible, or you can make it marfu to match the i'rab of the Mustasna Minhu. La tas'al ahadan. Don't ask anybody. Don't ask anyone. Illa Hamidan or Hamidan. Because if you say Hamidan, which is permissible, and then it has to take the i'rab of Mustasna Minhu. What is Mustasna Minhu? Ahadan. It's mansub, inshallah. Next one, brothers and sisters. I would like to finish the chapter. Inshallah, you will bear with me, brothers and sisters. La tattasil. What is this la here? La nahiya. Because the fi'l, mudari are all majzoom. La tattasil. La tattasil bi ahdin. Translation. Do not contact anyone except Hamid. So Hamidan is normal. You can do it. Or if it has to take the i'rab of Mustasna Minhu, then it will become Hamidin. MashaAllah. Now comes Al-Istifham. Now comes Al-Istifham. Interrogative. Hal gaba ahdun illa Hamidan or Hamidun. Because ahdun is your Mustasna Minhu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, the Hamidun and Hamidan both are permissible. Al ra'ita ahdan. Did you see anyone? Illa Hamidan and again Hamidan. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Hal ittasalta. Hal ittasalta bi ahdin illa Hamidan or Hamidin. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Now comes the other one. In the istasna mufarrag. Now, brothers and sisters, I ask you, what is mufarrag? The mustasna minhu is not there. Only mustasna is there. Are you with me? That means it's mufarrag. Plus, the sentence is automatically. The sentence is gairu mujabin. Always, if it is mufarrag, the sentence is automatically gairu mujabin. So it's inshallah very simple. Here the mustasna does not have a fixed i'rab. Huh? What is the i'rab, brother? I will write it down. Huh? What did I write down, brothers and sisters? The i'rab is taken from the context of the sentence. And there's another way of finding out the i'rab. What is that way, brothers and sisters? That you remove illa, just temporarily, just for the time being. You put back the illa again. You take the illa for the time being to figure out the i'rab. It means illa is not there, but it is there. But in order to find out, you remove illa temporarily. Okay, brothers and sisters, this is the easiest way of figuring out. Okay, here the mustasna does not have a fixed i'rab. It takes the i'rab, it deserves in the sentence. Ma rasaba illa bilalun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Ma rasaba illa bilalun. There is no mustasna minhu. Is there any mustasna minhu there? So if you remove illa, what will be? Ma rasaba bilalun. So what is bilalun? Fa'il. It is fa'il. Very good, brothers and sisters. No one failed except Bilal. Here the mustasna Bilalun is fa'il. To find out the i'rab, it deserves omit illa, and it will become clear to you. If we omit illa in the above sentence, we get ma rasaba Bilalun, and here Bilalun is the fa'il. This is done only to find out the i'rab. The meaning, of course, is the opposite of what the original sentence means. If you remove illa, then meaning is opposite. Okay? Ma ra'aytu illa bilalan. Got the idea? Maf'ulun bihi. Fine, brother and sister. I saw no one except Bilal. Bilal is maf'ulun bihi, as it is clear from ma ra'aytu bilalan. Next one, brothers and sisters. There is no problem with majroor, as it is preceded by preposition. Ma bahastu illa an Khalidin. So an is there, so you know it is majroor. I was looking for none except Khalid. Ma darasna illa bil jamiati, Islamiyati. We did not study in any university except Islamic university. Okay, brothers and sisters, we have seen in lesson 27 that only the separable form of the pronoun is used after illa. Okay? Remember, we have studied this. Mansub, munfasil, damir will come after illa. We have studied this before. So, la na'budu illa iyahu. Got the idea? What is iyahu? Maf'ulun bihi. We worship none but him. Not illahu. We cannot say that. Because that hu is muttasil. It cannot come like this. It has to be with the verb. Another example. سأل المدرس الطلاب كلهم إلا إياك. Okay. The teacher asked all the students except you. Not إلا ka. For now, next 2 minutes, I want to take you back, brothers and sisters. I hope I will not confuse you, but I will only make you strong. Look at this, brothers and sisters. Ma rasaba illa bilalun. Is there a mustasna minhu there? No. I want you to put it. What will you say? Ma rasaba ahdun. When you put ahdun, then the picture changes. Okay? Then it is no longer mufarraq, but it is tamun. Are you with me? It became tamun. What I am trying to emphasize is that you will have to understand sometimes that how the sentence can become tamun and can become mufarraq by the absence or presence of mustasna minhu. Next sentence, brothers and sisters. Ma ra'aytu illa bilalan. I want you to make this from mufarraq into tam. What will you say? Ma ra'aytu ahdan. Mafulun bihi. Ahdan. Are you with me? Did you get the idea? Alhamdulillah. Now we say ma bahastu. Ma bahastu. Put now here mustasna minhu. An ahdin. What will you say? An ahdin. Are you with me? I'll write down. Ma illa. I have two choices now. Either I make it bilalan, or I should follow the example of this. So I will say illa bilalan or bilalin. Are you with me? If I say bilalin, then I'm taking the i'rab from the mustasna minhu. Otherwise, I can also use bilalan. So what kind of a sentence is this now, brothers and sisters? Tamun muttasilun ghayru mawjub. Okay, brothers and sisters. Now remove this. I'm removing it now. Okay. Ma bastu illa an. Then I have no choice but to make it an bilalin. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now what kind of a sentence is now? What will you call it? Mufarraq. Why mufarraq? There is no mustasna minhu there. Put mustasna minhu, it is no longer mufarraq, but it can be tam. It is tam. It can be muttasil or it can be munkati also. But if it is muttasil and because of ma, it became gairu mujibin. Inshallah, you'll try to revise it. Brothers and sisters, I end here. We'll carry on with this again tomorrow. And we'll understand this and then we'll do the lesson, inshallah. But reading it at home, in the light of whatever I have explained here, and you have written the notes, it will help you, inshallah. रब्बना आतिना फिद दुनिया हसनतन व फिल आखिरति हसनतन व क़िना अज़ाबन्नार। रब्बना हब लना मिन अज़वाजिना व ज़ुर्रिय्यातिना क़ुर्रता अयुनिन वजअलना लिल मुत्तक़ीना इमामा। रब्बना तक़ब्बल मिन्ना इन्नका अंता समीउल अलीम व तुब अलैना इन्नका अंता तव्वाबुर रहीम। सुब्हान रब्बिका रब्बिल इज़्ज़ति अम्मा यसिफून व सलामुन अलल मुरसलीन।